Hi, ladies and gents, crypto traders. My name is Jan of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to put Enjin Coin with the ticker symbol ENJ as the altcoin of the day. And we see that this altcoin is trading around $14.5. It's ranked number 93, and it has market cap of a little bit over $120 million. The nice thing is that Enjin is also tradable and buyable on Coinmerce, and I guess also on Binance, but you have to take a look for yourself. On Coinmerce, you can see a nice increase from 2017, 2018, from about 1 cent and a hit high of 21 cents euro cents in back in August 23. And what we are seeing now, the market retraced severely, and this is a trading navigator. It's actually trading navigator signal for stocks, and this is especially very nice applicable for stocks on the long term with weekly charts, but I also use it on a daily basis for cryptos and even on a smaller time frame. But if we see now there is a nice pin bar down, there's a reversal bar, spike down towards 11 cents, and it reversed up to 18 cents last week. It retraced a little bit, and now it's hovering around $15 and I think it's a very good, nice buying opportunity at this level to pick some coins up. And especially if you put 20% stop loss, that would be 12.9 cents. You can round off to 12 cents. Below that, there you have to be out of the market, because then the positive picture is fading, and the first resistance area is around 18 cents. I would like to put it a little bit lower there. So trading range, now we're a little bit in the middle or at the lower end of the trading range, but if you take a look at the high of this of the September or August highs, there we see nice buying opportunity with very much upside potential towards 25 cents. So that means at least 10 cents upside potential for the coming months. Would be very great, of course. And for our swing trading portfolio, we'd like to pick this coin up, and maybe also for the longer term. But take a look well on the charts, and don't expect too many miracles. If we could hit 18 cents or 20 cents in the meantime, so it's more or less 33% to 20 cents. That is a very nice return on investment. Nevertheless, Enjin Coin, one to watch. And if you would like to take a look for more crypto trades and more insight information, you can go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Bye.